Welcome to my food vlog, hee hee.
Nice or not?
The face.
Nice or not?
Like?
Avocado? Or sweet potato? Or banana? Which one?
What is this weird green thing again?
So I'm gonna like cut off this top part but leave the skin on so that he can grab. If he can't grab, then I will cut it into like lengthwise for him, but hopefully he will like this.
Are you ready for avocado?
Doing
All of you guys are so blue. Look at the two of you.
it. Yeah.
Blue. Can you hold my hand? Let's go grocery shopping. Okay. Are you excited about this? Mommy's gonna choose a really ripe one. This is very ripe. I can eat already actually.
Like,
Nice or not?
face.
Nice or not?
Like?
Nice or not? Okay, you grab this one.
Oh, he likes it.
Now that went super well. We're so proud of him. Honestly, he's still more used to like the spoon. I think because he really likes the texture. And I'm not sure if I chose avocados that were too ripe, so he didn't really have a good grip. But just to test if he has any reaction, we are monitoring him and making sure that we are going to be feeding him for 2 more meals. So tonight he's going to have avocado as well. And then another time, which I'm going to try and make sure that I'm home if I want to do the strips so that, I can be there if anything goes south, hopefully not. But anyway, I think I read online that another trick to encouraging a baby to eat is to have your meals with them. So that's something that and I really didn't want to do it because it's our first time. So maybe the next few times we will actually be having the meals with him so he can watch us eat and eat as well. Another day of BLW and I'm gonna let him try bananas. Thankfully he pooped. So yesterday we did sweet potatoes and he didn't poop for 1 full day, so I was a bit worried. But today he did do a very, very, very big poop. So today I'm gonna try bananas. I heard that babies love bananas because it's very sweet. And my banana is super ripe, so I'm not sure. Hey, why are you looking at it? Hey, so I'm not sure if I would. It's good to give him super ripe ones. I'm not sure, but I'm just gonna give him a tiny bit because he just ate, so he's not gonna eat much anyway. Since they are super ripe, they are gonna be very like very soft. So I think I would just have him hold like a whole thing and let him play around with it. Avocado? Or sweet potato? Or banana? Which one?
No wait, his shit is different a lot when he eats.
Yeah.
Smellier.
Ugh.
Very smelly, yeah.
Oh, yo.
He farted.
So I'm gonna like cut off this top part but leave the skin on so that he can grab. If he can't grab, then I will cut it into like lengthwise for him, but hopefully he will like this. You don't drama lah, it's so far from you.
You make me scared, you know. Like that, okay nah?
Okay. Oh yo, baby. Wow. Yay! I guess banana was a success, right? You enjoy your banana? Yeah, good. Tomorrow you want again? Yes? All done! Today, I'm introducing some baby cereal to him. I got this from FairPrice Finest. You know, looked at a few brands and I thought this was like the cleanest, but it doesn't contain iron. I'm going to introduce this first, and if he's all good, tomorrow I will put in some broccoli, which is higher in iron. I also bought this new spoon from NumNum and I put it in this. It will spill on his whole face lah if he can hold the bowl. Did you manage to eat it? Oh, you didn't. Okay, how about you hold this? Okay. Yeah. Yeah. See your face? So it does seem like Micah is having a reaction. I called Speed Dog and they told me to monitor him. And so far, apart from the rashes, there's nothing much, but they did say that if he faced like any coughing, wheezing, breathing difficulties, to rush him to the hospital immediately. Thank God he didn't really enjoy the cereal. As you guys saw, I only gave him like 1/4 of the serving size, which was written on the package. So I made 1/4 and he ate like 1/10 of the 1/4. I saw the ingredients list. There was like wheat, spelt, oats, and then I read solid starch, and they said that wheat and spelt are common allergens. So it could be that. I'm hoping it's not oats. Once he subsides, then I'm gonna let him try something else. I'm gonna let him try oats next. This is new, baby. You try this, okay?
So big.
Watch for a reaction. You know how to grab a little bit and just suck.
Oh, that is it.
Yeah. Okay, so trying this new one today. Sweet potato, which he already is okay with, and organic brown rice. It's just this and avocado.
Okay, next one. Yeah. Next one. See? Are you done? Are you done?
Where's my food?
Are you done? If you're done, you say all done.
Definitely not done. You see the banana, he's like,
he know can reach out for the spoon.
He always reach out. It's just if you put it inside, it's a bit harder.
Okay, thank you for watching my food vlog. I want to go pom pom already. Bye bye.